Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I'm going to be doing another pedicure. So without wasting time, let's just get started. So I'll come in with my electric file and file the surface of my nails. I mean, I've ignored my toenails for so long and I've decided to finally show it some love. With a nail cutter and just cut them shorter. So I get my fake nails and come in with a little bit of glue, then stick it onto my toenails. I'll push it into the cuticle area to give it that natural look. After which I'll just cut them shorter to the desired length. I'll come in with my file and just file the edges. Next, I'll come in with the electric file and file the surface. Now, this gives it a very natural look and it also helps the polish to adhere better. I'll come in with my gel polish and here I'm using the color pink. I'll give my nails the first coat, then cure them under the UV for about 60 seconds. Once I want the color more vivid, I'll just come in with the second coat, after which I'll cure them for 60 seconds. Finally, I'll seal them off with a glossy top coat. And I'll come in with some cuticle oil to help relax the cuticles. Here we are. I'm all done. Let me know, do you like the color? Don't you like the color? I hope I did help you. And if you do give this a try, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends. And don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.